Hi everyone, this is Oscar here again from Cubicle Ninja, and today we're gonna continue with our series of tutorial with regards on how you can create a lead magnet inside Builderall. Today we're gonna have to teach you create how you can get started creating an email list from scratch inside the Builderall, as well as creating an automated email sequence. Some of you might know how to use that, but for those of you who have kind of like, have a confusion on how you can start creating autoresponder email and creating a workflow inside your Builderall to retarget your audience is what I'm going to share with you. Without further ado, I'm gonna go over. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our YouTube, and also don't forget to click the notification button so you can always update to all our videos. Anyway, we're gonna go over to our dashboard, and let's go right here. Okay. There you go. When you sign into your dashboard, we all have different, settings and setup. So as you will notice, I've had a lot of apps that was here, and we're using that to our client. Anyway, first thing you need to do when creating a website, since we've done the lead magnet that we have last time, and also adding the ebook that we have, I'm going to show you right here. You will notice that we didn't add any email list here last time. We didn't tackle that. And also a sequence, an automated email sequence, if you are going to retarget your audience. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so first thing, you need to go to your mailing boss, and we're gonna create your email list, and also we'll show you how you also can create a email, professional email inside your builder. But we're gonna go step by step through that. Okay, so in order for you to create your list, you for this lead page that we did, we're gonna have to name it. Okay, first thing foremost, we have to name it, and we have to create a new list. Okay, so that's what we're going to do right now. We're gonna go over to the list, and we're gonna create a list here. The list is this thing that you've been seeing here. Okay, that is the list. So we have to, create a list in order for us to create a email sequences or workflow. Okay, so automated email response to your client. Right here, you just need to have your the name of your list. Okay, so we're gonna have to name it hustle 101, just for you to get to know the how the mailing boss works. For those of you who have an account on Builderall and have no idea on how to create an email list and automated response email, this is what you're going to do. Okay, so display name will be the same, Hustle 101, and the description, we're just gonna have to, type in, email list sequence for now, and then we can always change that later on. So it's a double opt-in, double opt-out, and we're gonna do that later. We're gonna edit that. For the tags, we're just gonna do this for now, no email marketing, and later we can always add, just for this tutorial's sake, we're gonna do just that for us to get into it. Okay, so there you go. So what you need to do is, in my case, I will just ask an email because that's what we wanted to happen, right? We just wanted to get their email, for that lead page that we did. So that's what we're going to do. So basically, we're just gonna have just the email. Don't add anything in order for us just to, not to get complicated everything. Okay, so that's it. We got the Hassle 101 email list already here. Okay, so let's check that out. Go to the list, and there you go. It's right here, right? So we're gonna double check the form that we have, and as you can see, there's only one field. Okay, that was here, and we keep it that way. So in that case, we've already created email lists, for the lead page that we have right here. So we're gonna go over to that, and in that form, we didn't do this last time, so I just wanted, this is very, very important, in creating your autoresponder or email list on your whatever form that you wanted to have here. Okay, so when you click this button here, or this form, you just want to go to this scroll, what do you call this, scroll thingy. Okay, as you can see, the email list that we did, the mailing boss form, is right here. That's what we're gonna do. Click that one and save it. I've always told you that you need to save all your editing when you are in Builderall, just in case there's some issue on your internet. So okay, I'm gonna do it one more time again. There you go. You set up your email list. Now we're gonna go over, of course, go back to the mailing boss, and next thing you want to do is let's check that out. We kind of like wanted to create the setup here. Okay, right here. The advanced notifications, subscribers action, company details. Okay. First thing to do here is, of course, you need to have your the domain name that you need to add on here. So in this case, this is going to be the domain name, but we wanted to have, this is going to be the domain name, but we wanted to create a right domain name for this, but you can do that when you create your own domain. But wait a minute, let's see if we can do something about it. Okay, so okay, now we can do a subdomain because I don't want to create a new domain name under here. So I'm going to do is I'm going to create a subdomain so we can be able to replace this URL that is so long and it's not professional, when you have a kind of like a website, right? So in your case, you might gonna have your own subdomain, or you can buy your own domain names in order for you to have a professional look website. Okay, so in this case, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to create a subdomain so I can use that. I'm not gonna use it, so I can use the subdomain and place it under here. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. But you have to remember that when you are creating a domain and it's gonna be the first time, it will take 1 day or 2 to propagate, and you cannot use the domain by the time you create the domain itself. Okay, so we're gonna do go to your Hang on. Yeah, connect domain. And what I'm gonna do, because I'm using the Surewin funnel, surewin.com, surewinfunnel.com as my domain name. So here, I'm just gonna add uh, hustle dot surewin. That's how you're going to create a subdomain when you are in Builderall. Okay, let's click this button next and let's see what happens. So that is going to be your URL or your domain name. Okay, so it's short and looks professional at least, right? But this is a subdomain, meaning this is not the actual domain. The domain name will be surewinfunnel.com, but I just had to let you know that you can create, I think, a unlimited subdomain name when you use the Builderall platform. So we're just gonna confirm that. There you go. So your subdomain name is done, and I have to close this. Let's check it out. Let's see if this is gonna work. Sometimes it's not work right away. It will take like 1 or 2 days to propagate. You see, there is no domain name yet under the hustlesurewin.com. Okay, so it will take 1 or 2. So we're gonna leave that for now. And let's go back to the mailing list. Okay, I have to republish this. So tomorrow it will be fine. Okay, I think it's gonna be okay. So in that case, we kind of like wanted to create your, of course, you have your domain name. Of course, you need to have a professional email. Okay, professional email. That's what we're gonna do right now. And in order to do that, you're gonna need that for your email list when you're targeting your audience. So each domain name or each subdomain name must have a different email. Okay, so you can do that free inside the Builderall platform, and you just need to go right here under the custom email. Okay, there you go. See, I've done a lot of email here, email, professional email. In this time, I'm gonna use my subdomain and create an email under here. So in this case, I'm gonna have to click this button. Again, this will not work right away, or it might work right away. Let's see. Okay, hustle, that is for this tutorial sake, we're gonna do this. So I'm gonna create, I have to remember this, I have to write it down. So hustle at Surewin. Just bear with me, guys, because I need to remember this, otherwise I'm gonna have issue when signing in. So I have to remember my password and the email itself. Okay, so password, I'm gonna do like very simple. I'm gonna type in my name, 123, and exclamation. Okay, so Oscar, 123, and exclamation. So I remember, and you can create your own, right? Doesn't need to be okay. 123. Okay, that is my password. So Oscar 123 exclamation point and create. This is how you're going to create your professional email inside the Builderall platform. Okay, so create, click the create button. Boom, as you can see. So it add up here, right? So we're gonna check that one if we can get in. Okay, so hang on. View email list. I have a lot of email lists, or different email. Okay, so different email from a different domain name. Okay, you cannot have like put all your email randomly. So So that's how you're going to do it. So here I'm gonna click this one because this is the one that we did just now. Click the access right here, and I'm gonna have, because this is the different email as you can see, so I'm gonna log out, of course, and I'm gonna log in again, and I have to type in the email that I've created right now. So for you to see, guys, how you're going to create your own, okay? Panel.com, and my password is, as I've mentioned, Oscar 123 bam. All right, the exclamation point. Let's see, we need to get in here. There you go. Okay, so you can see you have your fresh professional email. This is similar to, like, Gmail or Yahoo or any kind of email, right? The setup and everything is like almost the same. You get inbox, send, drop, spam, trash, archive, right? So that's how it is. Okay, so you have your email already, professional email. I'm gonna get out of there. Oops, hang on. I'm gonna get out of there. And let's see, there's another thing that you need to do. I said mention, right? The domain, the subdomain that we did will take a day or two. So we're gonna have to wait for that because we need to set up here. That's the thing, right, guys? As I've mentioned, in order to your autoresponder email sequence works properly, it need to set up properly here, everything in detail. And that is the thing. I think we're gonna have issue on continuing this tutorial because we need to see the actual subdomain that we created and the email that we did today. And in order to do that, the email, it needs to show up here when you are in your mailing boss. In order to verify that email, you need to go right here and sender's email. Under sender's email, we need to add that email that we did today. Okay, so in order to do that, you need to create a new one. Okay, so as you can see, nothing in here, right? The one that we did. So okay, gonna create. Okay, again, I'm gonna go over right here under your mailing boss, go on this panel right here, and under the sender email, you're gonna end up here. As you can see, all my email is been verified. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to create a new one. This is very, very important, guys, when creating a mailing boss, an email list autoresponder in your Builderall. Without this, you cannot, the flow will not work properly. So it's better to understand this thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to name it, of course, my name and the email itself, which is the hustle. That's the one that we did. I think I'm gonna go lowercase, hustle at showinfunnel.com. Is that right? Yeah, .com. All right, so that's the email I did, and we had to save changes. Okay, there you go. It's right here, and obviously, as you can see right here, it's not verified yet. So how long will that take? Okay, let's resend this. Let's see what's gonna, yeah, so it will take a day or two. So I think we're gonna wait for that, as well as the domain name that we did create today. Okay, so what I'm saying right now is we cannot continue with this until we get the right URL that we need to add on here. I'll show you to the list that we've created today here, the Hustle 101. So you can see we're gonna update them because you need to set this advanced notification subscriber action company details. Okay, so we need to have that subdomain or domain name that you're gonna make to add here, right? And the email supposedly that we create today should shows up here. As you can see, there is none because it's not verified yet, right? So nothing here. So I think we're gonna have to pause for now. Okay, wait. Just cancel it. No, I have to. Okay. Yeah, hang on. I think we're just gonna have to pause for now because here we also have to build up, something here, and we need to change, these details that was here. So I think that's it for now. That's how you're going to start it, in creating the email list. And there's nothing else that we can do is, of course, we just have to wait, so tomorrow I think it's gonna be fine, and we're gonna keep going to this tutorial. So I'm kind of like wanted to share and this to you in details so you will understand. And yeah, I hope I'm making sense. And tomorrow we're gonna proceed and continue with that tutorial. And again, although I've heard that the 5.0, the Builderall 5.0 will have a new kind of like email marketing sets that they're gonna do. But I hope the whatever we have in the mailing boss right now should be integrate. That's what I'm thinking, because if they're gonna change the whole thing, the email, the sequence, the autoresponder sequence, it's gonna be, I think the old email mailing boss will be, doesn't make sense, not gonna work at all. But I think they're gonna do kind of like an integration upgrade, when the 5.0 came out with the new email marketing apps, they will integrate the old mailing boss, hopefully, and it will work more. Function more better for the upgrade. Anyway, guys, this is Oscar here again. I would like to thank you and keep an eye on all our tutorial for this series. I know it would take time, to um, absorb, all this technical aspect of creating this, but little by little, I think if you follow all my video tutorial, I've done 2 videos already. I think it will take another 2 or 3 more video, and you're ready to go. So again, thank you so much and have a great day.